Second reason then is financial information, with it being out of date. Now see, many business owners, particularly if they're limited companies, so they've got a 9-month period in which to file their accounts at Companies House. Okay. I see too many business owners who are almost waiting until the last minute to file. So let's assume your year end is on the 31st of January. You've got up until the end of September of the following year to file. The number of business owners that I would go in and round about January, July, August time, still really having done nothing.
Right.
And then suddenly the deal of a lifetime comes up, where they go to the bank and say, I've got an opportunity to buy a piece of kit that's ideal for my business, or I've got a chance to buy a competitor. And this has happened to me numerous times, where it's, okay, great, I think I can see why this would be a great strategic fit for your business, or why you need this piece of kit. Superb. Let's go and then put this deal together. Where are your accounts? And then there's this long pause. And they say, well, I haven't actually been to the accountant yet.
Yeah.
And I say, well, okay, we're down tools because there's nothing I can do. Because here we are in the August, your year end was December, okay? But in reality, it's a further 12 months before that was when the last full set of accounts were done.
Yeah.
So there's been over 18 months of trading that's happened.
Because they need to be at Companies House, because then they become solid.
Yeah. So we've got to think from a bank's point of view, banks work on numbers. Now, many business owners don't, but bankers get off on numbers. Yeah. There's nothing they like better than getting the calculator out and analysing a set of accounts. But they can't do that if the information is old and out of date.
Right.
Because we know the business environment changes all the time. And so you have to be bang up to date with that. And similarly then, even if you've got your audited accounts up to date, then you have to have regular manager information as well. That means monthly accounts and quarterly accounts, which is much more up to date.
Okay, and if somebody does struggle to keep their financial arrangements up to date, what sort of steps can they take to improve that process?
Right. I think the key thing is to think about outsourcing your accounts function. As I said before, many business owners don't like number crunching. It's not why they were in business. It is not as if they woke up on a Monday morning at 9 o'clock and said, do you know what? I really want to sit down and send invoices out, chase invoices and reconcile my bank account. I know, I'll start a business.
Can't beat a bit of reconciliation.
Oh, yeah, it just doesn't work that way. So it's like all things in business. If you don't get excited by it and it's not your skill set, then get rid of it. Because bookkeeping tends to be the thing that most business owners will do at 9, 10, 11 o'clock at night. Yeah. And that's when the mistakes happen or it doesn't get done at all. And again, if that information is not ready for when that deal of a lifetime comes, then you've lost the opportunity.